Hi and welcome back to Spot On Works. In this video I'm gonna show you how to adjust your power side view mirrors in 2014 Ford Fiesta. This is gonna apply to Ford Fiestas made from 2011 and all the way up to 2019. If you find this video helpful, I would really appreciate if you subscribe to my channel, like it and share it. You can tell if your Ford Fiesta is equipped with power side view mirrors if you have this control knob. So this knob is located on the driver's door next to the door handle, and it looks like that. So now to control your side view mirrors, you can switch from neutral position to the left, and now you can control your driver's side mirror. So you can push it to the left, right, up or down. So you can adjust this mirror for your best view. And now if you want to adjust passenger side, right hand side, you want to turn this knob all the way to the right, and again you can move it up or down, left or right. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you, bye.